Hello everyone. So we're gonna start with question number 128, which states the kinetic energy of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at position A, B, and C are Ka, Kb, and Kc respectively. AC is the major axis and SB is the perpendicular to AC at a position of Sun S as shown in the figure. So we will find the ratio, expression. So we know the speed of the planet will be maximum when the distance from the sun is minimum. So MVR equals to delta. So by the drawing we see that this is aphelion and this is perihelion. So point A is perihelion and C is aphelion. Clearly BC greater is less than BB, which is less than BA. So answer will be 3. Thank you.